Today we'll go over the assignment, Animate Your Name. I did this instead of writing my name, I wrote Happy Ramadan because it's the beginning of Ramadan. Let's start by logging into your CS First account and Animate Your Name assignment, and you'll see lots of tutorials, videos how to do it. So just go over all the videos. I went over all of them and I tried all of them. So check them out and see which one you want to use in your animation. So I'll recommend that you use one or two animations in your name. At the end, I decided to use these two grow and shrink and change color animations. So let's get started. So I'll start with putting all the sprites of my name in the window. So you will click on sprite icon, then search icon, then find your letter and bring it to the window. Once you have all the letters of your name in the window, arrange them nicely the way you want them to be, and then when you are ready, we'll go to the next step. Now I'll start with my first letter, that would be H. Click on the letter H, then drag the block, change size by, and let's drag the block, change color effect by, because I want my letter H to change color and size. Now I can change some of the numbers. The effect can be 10, and let's see how it works. So the color is changing, the size changed. Now I can loop it a little bit to see what happens when I loop the whole thing. So to loop, I will use the repeat block, and I'll change the number to 5. It will repeat 5 times, so we can just check how it works. So what's happening? So the size of the letter H is getting larger and larger. So we want it to get smaller as well. So this is what we'll do. We'll add another block of change size. Then we'll add a negative number to it to reduce the size of letter H. Now we have letter H in required size. We'll fix all the numbers and make sure you have a positive change size and a negative change size to keep the letter to its original size. Since the change is happening too fast, I'll add another block, wait block, and put the number to 0.5 or 0.3 to make it a little slower so I can see the difference when it changes the color and size. That's better. Let's change some numbers and add another wait block at the end of the loop, inside the loop. So the H, which is animated like a heartbeat, I want to change it to look like a little different, more like a sign that blinks. Yeah, that's good. Now let's add a green flag block to see how it works when the green flag is clicked on. That's nice. So this is the effect I'm looking for. I'll add the same effect to all the other letters. We'll start with letter A now, and we can continue doing the same thing, or there's a shortcut. You can copy and paste, duplicate and paste the same code to the other letters. Since both of the letters A and H are ready, I'll put a green flag block on both of them to see how they work together. Since they are blinking together and their colors are changing together, I'll add another block to delay the start of letter A. That would be a wait block on top of the whole thing. So it will delay the animation of letter A.